Dear students, today I am going to explain the topic question tag. So, today we will be discussing question tag. This is a very important topic and also very easy. But most of the time students are creating problem with the question tag because they make mistakes often. So today I will discuss about question tag. So let me tell the rules of question tag. There are certain rules regarding question tag. Rules of question tag. Number 1, what are the rules? That is the question tag always begins with a small letter. Then question mark must be there. Question mark is always used. Question mark is always used at the end. Then the third one, there is a comma. After the statement. So the first one is, and also remaining two I will give. So the first one is the question. QT means question tag. Question tag always begins with a small letter, and then the question mark is always used at the end. This is the most important one. That is, students, what they do, they write the answer correctly. That is the tag. They write the answer correctly, but they often forget to put a question mark. So at that time, what happens? The answer will be incorrect. The tag will be incorrect. So never forget to put the question mark. And the third one is, there is a comma after the statement. Whenever the statement finishes, so after that you have to put one comma. And then the next one, the most important one is, if the question is in positive, then the tag will be a negative one. This is number 4. That is, if the question is positive, then what will be the tag? The tag will be a negative one. Then the number 5, that is, if the question is negative, then the tag will be positive. These are the most important points. So if the question is negative, then the tag will always be a positive. That is the opposite. The first one is question is positive. If the question is positive, then the tag will be a negative one. And then if the question is negative, then the tag will be a positive one. And the most important one is, that is number 6, the tense will remain the same. The tense will remain the same. The tense will remain the same. Out of these 6 rules, These three are the most important one. That is, the question is in positive. If the question is in positive, then the tag will be then the tag will be a negative one. Tag means that is the answer. Answer is the tag. So the tag will be in a negative one. And then next one, if the question is negative, then the tag will be positive. And the most important thing is that the tense will remain the same. You cannot change the tense of the sentence. If the question is in past tense, then the tag will also be in past tense. If the question is in present tense, then the tag will be in present tense. And if it is in future, then obviously the tense will be, the tag will be in the future tense. So let us do some exercise. Let us do some exercises. Mr. Sangma went home yesterday. Mr. Sangma went home yesterday. Let us find out the tense of the sentence. So what is the tense? It is in which tense? Went. Went indicates what? It is in past tense. So what will be the answer? Didn't he? Sangma, he, that is a male. So didn't he, then question mark. Never forget to put the question mark. Shita will perform one item. Shita will perform one item. So what is the tense here? Future. Will means future. Shita will perform one item. And then the sentence is in positive. Shita will perform one item. There is no negative sense in the question. That is in the question. So the answer will obviously, that is the tag will obviously be in negative one. Won't she? Won't she? Then question mark. Boys are going home. Boys are going home. This is the question. Boys are going home. So what will be the answer? Boys. See the sentence. See the words. Boys. Boys indicates what? Plural. Boys are present. Boys are going home. Then we are putting tag with the auxiliary verb. So what is the auxiliary verb here? Are. So the tag will be aren't they? Aren't they? Then the next one. The sky is not black. Is not black. The sky is not black. So see the sentence. The sky is present tense, not negative sense is there, and it is in present form. So the sky is not black. The tag will be is it? Then question mark. Abdul spoke little. Abdul spoke little. Abdul spoke little. Spoke. See the tense. Past tense. So, didn't he? am not. I am not well. I am not well. What will be the answer? That is, what will be the tag? I am not well. Am I? Not is there in the question. So the answer will be positive. Am I? The next one. Sam drew a picture. Sam drew a picture. Sam drew a picture. So drew, that is, it is in the verb is in the past form. So what will be the answer? Didn't he? Then question mark. Few can defeat him. Few can defeat him. Can, few means what? Few indicates plural. Few can defeat him. So the answer will be, or the tag will be, can they? It is a rough weather. It is a rough weather. It is a rough weather. There is no negative sense. See, there is no negative sense in the sentence. So it will be, isn't it? Then question mark. Okay, I hope you have understood the tag properly. Thank you.